Hello and welcome to Forge Bits. In this video, we're going to make a toon shading using compositing, or maybe it's more like blueprint style rendering. So first, we're going to create a scene, but I think it's best that we just reuse a model that we created during our live stream. So I'm going to link our revolver like that, and I'm going to duplicate it upwards like that and like rotate it by 180, maybe make it closer like that, then set the camera on top like that. So this is going to be our scene. The objective is we want to create like a blueprint style rendering of the revolver, this one. So this is how you do it. First, we're going to the render properties and we're going to select cycles. Next, we're going to enable freestyle because we want to like have the highlight stuff going around like that. So yeah, that's about it. Make sure to maybe lower your max sample size so you don't waste resources, because we don't actually need too high sample sizes. So just set it to 16 and 32 because it's a technical drawing, so you don't really need too much resolution or yeah. Next, we're going to the view layer properties. We're going to disable a lot of stuff here. This is going to affect the compositing because we're going to do the shading or the blueprint style rendering through compositing. This is like a big contrast to what most people do with toon shading and blueprint style rendering. Like they are touching the material shading, but in our case we're going to use the compositing, so it's not really that like too much. It's not very intensive, CPU intensive. So I'm going to enable the use nodes under compositing, and you'll notice pay attention on the nodes that will appear here, because when we enable stuff under the view layer properties, it's going to appear here. So for example, if I click the Z property under passes and data, it's going to appear here as depth. So you can actually make like, if you remember on Facebook, you can upload like a fake 3D image. It's actually being passed on as depth. So if you're like, it's as if you're using an infrared sensor. So yeah, but you're gonna need to invert the output because I'm pretty sure it's like the reverse. So anyway, I'm just going to enable stuff here, but we're not really gonna use most of it because I'm going to refer to this video on future videos. So just follow the things that I'm going to enable. For example, I enabled Z for the depth, or Z Z or Z, okay, depending on if you're an American or you're anyone else in the world. So I'm going to enable that, but we're not going to use it. I'm going to enable, but make sure to enable it or follow this video because it's going to be referred later on the future video. There's going to be a follow-up video for this one to like create different style rendering. So anyway, without further ado, we're going to just enable whatever I say enable. So diffuse, we enable the color, gloss, glossy, I'm going to enable everything. Emission, we're going to enable emission, although we're not going to use, but shadow, we're going to use this one. Glossy, I think we can try using some of that, but we'll see later. Then that's everything under light, so just take note of the settings. Then under filter, we're going to remove, we don't need most of this, so we don't need curves, although we don't have a curve. We don't need volumes, although we don't have volumes. So just remove them. The noise, maybe we don't need them anyway. So yeah, I think that's all you need for the view layer. So these ones and these ones. So yeah, it should everything. Oh yeah, one more thing. Under freestyle, we need to enable as render pass like that, because we're going to use the freestyle, like the line art drawing style. That's like the main part of this video. So we're going to separate the viewer so we could see, and we're going to start rendering. Let me just give some space here like that. Okay, then we're going to render. I'm just going to move the window out of the way, and I think I forgot. Did I switch to cycles? Yeah. We kind of don't have enough lighting, so maybe I should move the light source somewhere on top. So I'll just zero everything out and then move the light upwards like that. Maybe move it a little bit center like that, so we have some sort of light on our scene, because it's really dark if you check the render. I am rendering it again. There you go. Next, we're going to let's try and preview the freestyle, because that's, oh, there you go. And that's how you make a blueprint. Thanks for watching. Bye. Now, of course, we need to do some stuff here. So we're going to add a mix shader. Set it to, I think it's too small. I can't see it from afar. Divide. Then we're going to, let me just set this to 0.5. I'm going to invert like that. Oh, I need to set this down here, because it's mostly the outline. We need the outline. Oh, did I mention about transparency? Let's just enable it. Under film, let's enable transparent, because I kind of forgot. I think I kind of needed that for something, but I kind of forgot. Just enable transparent under the render properties, film, transparent. Just enable it, because we don't want the background anyway. So next, maybe we should preview the, let me add another mix shader here. Let's set it down here. Let's see what the shadow looks like. Oh, there's a bit of shadow. Oh, did I re-render? Let me re-render, because we kinda disabled the background. Just want to make sure. So yep, wow, it's too bright. So yeah, there's that. Let's see, maybe we should change it to multiply. Now we can do that, but then we'll need to use the alpha property to like set this part here. Oh yeah, that's the reason we need to enable the where's that? The film here, the transparency, because we need to use the alpha channel. So I'm going to set this to mix. I'm going to set it like that. Oh, now we kind of don't need it, but let's just do it like that. Oh, there you go. It's like so if you look at this one, the original, from that really realistic looking stuff, it turned instantly into like a sketch or a blueprint. Yeah, I like it. And let's see if there's some information on the other nodes, but we don't really need to do anything much in here. Let's just set it to 1 because it's going to be touch later on future videos. Let's see if there's some information here that we could use. Yeah, everything went dark. Let's see the glass thing here. I mean the gloss. Oh, let me remove it. Oh, okay. The color here appeared. So that's part of the gloss thing. Let me see if there's something we can do with let's add this one, see what happens. Nothing much, but yeah, it kind of looked like it's hand drawn. Maybe not. But yeah, let's take a, where's my render view? With the exception for this one, it's kinda look good. We can probably like duplicate the light, like have this one, set it like down here like that, then have another one up here like that, and let's see how it will react. Like that. Let's set a preview. It's still rendering. Oh, there you go. Oh, this one looks great. I mean, look at that. Can I? Oh, let's just reset and move. Oh, there you go. So now it looks much more like a sketch. Whoops. So yeah, there you have it. So basically we just adjusted the light so that we have light way up here, one in here, so that we are like covering the whole thing with light. And then when you render it, it becomes like that. There you have it. A toon shading using compositing. So basically if you just I'll just show you the nodes. It's not that complicated. Yeah, just the freestyle, like inverting the freestyle, and like that. Just pause the video if you want take a good look at the. So anything you put in here, it's going to be looking like that. So perhaps if we like disable everything, like let's say we have a table. I'm not sure if I should be doing this because I don't know how long. I kind of want forge bits to be really short. Oh, it's way too big. We have a table. Let's just do a quick one. We have a vase. Yeah, the problem is going to be the lighting, but we'll manage. Then we're going to move this one away a little bit. Then set the lights. I think we need to move it up like that. And the other one too. Maybe we should move it at the sides. So this one in here, this one in here, like that. And then let's try and preview a render. See how it would appear. I'm pretty sure this part's going to be very dark, so but I mostly use this one on my models. So like if I want to make a like a hand-drawn style render, this is what I do. I haven't really tried using this style on objects like this, like a scene like this. Oh wow, why is my rendering taking time? Freestyle mesh loading. Okay. It's probably because we have a lot of things going on. Maybe we should drop the there's the light path here. We could like drop it really low, like maybe set this to 1, because we don't really need those, like the gradient of the light. So let me see if I could cancel the render. Set this to 1 and then render again. Oh, it's taking, oh, I get it. The freestyle is taking a lot of time in this part, so yeah. Let me stop this one. I think we shouldn't use this one. Where is it? Flowers. Let's delete the hierarchy. Add a different vase, like this one. Come on, come on. There you go. Get the render out of the way. Oh, there you have it. Let me move these out of the way. So yeah, like I've predicted, the bottom side here. Oh, move. There you go. The bottom side is really dark because the light, we have the light up here. So yeah, that's going to be expected. So yeah, and that's how you make a toon shading using compositing. Much better than doing it under materials. So if you like videos like this, kindly, click that subscribe button and thumbs up if you like the video, or thumbs down if not, so we know if we have the idea of what videos you want or what contents you want here. And we have Patreon, so yeah, I remember I should save this one, but yeah, if you are a patron of this channel, you'll get all the blend files. Maybe I'll just save it later. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.